Can yoga cure back pain? Yes, it can. First, we need to understand the reason for back pain. It could be because of postural reasons, it could be because of structural reasons, or it could be because of weight bearing. For postural reasons, you need to figure out what makes your back pain worse. Are you sitting for long hours or standing for long hours because of your work environment? Or are you keeping your feet in a weird manner? Is the posture of your feet when standing not in the correct order? Or are you not taking breaks? If you're a software engineer, for example, you will be seated for long hours. You need to take frequent breaks. You need to stretch a little, do some chair yoga, maybe do some chair Surya Namaskar, and relieve your muscles in the back. Or if you do some asanas such as twists, forward folds, or back bends, you can stretch and strengthen your back muscles. Try and strengthen your ab region, because the ab muscles in the front is what makes your posterior muscles stronger. So having a good routine for ab workout will help your back pain. If you have a structural reason for back pain, such as genetic problems such as scoliosis or disc herniations, or problems in the spinal column, degeneration, osteoarthritis, then you need to take physiotherapy or medical yoga. And that is a vast topic where we need to give you the proper understanding and practices, and that I will do in another video. If your back pain is because of weight bearing, then you definitely need to lose some weight. That is also possible in yoga, but I have done a video previously on how to lose belly fat and body fat. So refer that video in the link given in the comments. So, can yoga cure back pain? Yes, it can.